Hello sellers, welcome to Woodmart. Now increase your market and product reach by uploading products in Woodmart. Visit our website Woodmart www.woodmartshop.com. Click Seller Login. Open your seller account by just filling email and password to log in into your account. Once you log in into your seller account, Woodmart dashboard will be opened. Seller account, seller store and seller payment are shown under our dashboard. To upload your products, click product under the seller store. Seller product page will be appeared. To see your uploaded products, fill the product name, model, price, quantity and click filter to see the particular product. To upload the products, click add button. Once the page is open, you can see general, data, link, attribute, option, discount, special, image, reward points, SEO on the top. In general, seller must fill the product name, description, product tags, meta tag title, meta tag description, meta tag keywords. Product name should be filled here. Seller must describe their product specifications here. Seller must give a tag for their product from the above categories. Appropriate title should be given to the product by the seller. Seller must give a proper description about the meta title. Seller should give appropriate keywords about their products. Once you finish this page, no need to give continue here. If you click on continue, the product upload process will be end up. Click data in the top. Once you click data, the new page will be opened. Here, seller must fill model, location, price, tax class, quantity, minimum quantity, subtract stock, out of stock, status, shipping, etc. Fill your product model number of your own. Fill your company's location here. Fill your product price. Choose any of these: taxable goods, downloadable product, GST 18%. If seller pays tax for their product to the government, then they can pick taxable goods. If seller is not having tax for their product, then they can pick GST 18%. Fill the number of minimum products here. Pick yes under the subtract stock. Pick any one of these: 2 to 3 days, in stock, out of stock, pre-order. Pick yes or no. Fill your length, width and height of the project. Fill your length class. Fill your weight of the product. Fill your weight class. Make your status enable. Once you finish this page, click link in the top. The new page will be opened. Product manufacturer name should be filled here. Category of the product should be filled here. Click attribute in the top. The new page will be opened. To add attributes of your product, click add attributes. Fill your product attributes here. Once you finish the attribute page, click option on the top. The next page will be opened. Here, fill your product with the different size. Type your product and category here. Fill option value, quantity, subtract stock, price, points, weight. After finishing these, click discount in the top. The new page will be opened. Press add discount button to add your discount. Number of quantity, new price of your product, start of your discount product, end date of the discount product. Click special. As like in the discount, fill the priority, price, start date, end date. In discount, seller can upload their product for a small time span or like a season offer, but whereas in special, seller can upload their product for long span of the time. Once you finish this page, click image in the top. The next new page will be opened. Here you can upload your product image. Click here to upload more images. Once you finish uploading the images, click reward points. The next new page will be opened. Seller can give reward points for the customer purchase. Click SEO. Our website defaultly fills the SEO URL from your meta tag title, meta tag description. Now click continue to finish the process. Your product will be uploaded successfully. Thanks for watching. Hello seller.